How to use tea tree oil for hair growth. Prevent hair loss and boost hair growth. Tea tree oil can help hair grow longer and thicker. The best way to use it is to massage it into the scalp along with the carrier oil. Take about 2 to 5 drops of tea tree oil for every teaspoon of carrier oil, like olive, almond, or coconut oil. Mix well and massage into scalp. Wrap hair in a warm towel and allow to sit for 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing out. Use this treatment a couple of times a week. For an extra nourishing treatment, use hot oils. Simply warm the tea tree oil and carrier oil mixture a bit. Be cautious to not heat the oils too much, as it can lead to nutrient loss and you could also end up scalding your skin. Treat dandruff and itchiness. Using the oil after mixing with your regular shampoo can also help treat dandruff and the accompanying itchiness. You can also use the oil to treat dry scalp. Mix the oil with the carrier oil and gently massage into your scalp for about 15 minutes. Wash your hair thoroughly after leaving the oil blend on for about 10 minutes. Tea tree oil moisturizes your scalp and treats dry scalp. You can use the oil for removing lice too. Apply a few drops of tea tree oil on your scalp and leave it on overnight. The next morning, comb through the hair to remove the dead lice. Wash your hair with a shampoo and conditioner containing tea tree oil. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions about this video, leave it to the comment box. We will try to respond as soon as possible. For more health tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel.